Hi, I'm Shani Muardo, and today I'll share my reflection on Chapter 9 of Nole Me Tangere. For my reflection, I focus on how this chapter highlights the everyday struggles of ordinary Filipinos under Spanish rule. For example, through the character of Sisa and her two sons, Rizal showed the painful reality of injustice, poverty, and abuse of power. Instead of describing big political events, he revealed how colonial oppression affected families at the smallest, most personal level. And because of this, Noli Me Tangere became a powerful tool in awakening Filipino national consciousness. It encouraged Filipinos to question unfair systems and recognize the need for change. By reflecting on these stories, we understand more deeply why Rizal fought for reform and why his work still matter. Well, I guess that's all for today's reflection. Thank you for listening and see you to the next chapter.